Hey everybody, today we are at Palm Beach RV down in West Palm Beach, Florida, and we're gonna look at this Solitude by Grand Design. It is model number ST346FLS-R. Let's get to it. Now they got them stacked in here pretty tight, so it's hard to see, but there are actually 3 awnings on this side. There's one above this slide, there's one on this slide, and then there's one all the way down there as well. And so you have pretty much full coverage all the way, all right? So now here's your storage bay. Now there's actually, as far as fifth wheels go, there's very, very little storage up here in the front. We'll let you know why in a second. So we're not gonna concentrate on this for now. Doors are nice and thick, slam latches, of course, there we go. Over here, this is where you put your propane. You got a 30-pound tank. This does have your level up hydraulic leveling system, so you don't have to worry about leveling it. You just press a button and it levels itself. All right, pretty much these days, most of the RVs we look at have the step above steps. Now look at this. This is why there's no storage in the front. It's all in the back. It goes all the way through. In fact, when you get to the back, there's this pull-out tray right here. And so if you've got something that's heavy, you just pull this little lever right here, and this comes almost all the way out, right about there. And so you have full access to everything that you put on this tray. Absolutely amazing. All right, it does have a ladder for you to get all the way up to the roof for doing inspections. Pre-wired for your Furrion backup camera, if you can see that up here. Let's continue around. All right, in this particular storage bay, this is where your power rolls up to, so it's an electric reel, so you just hit a button and it rolls up itself when you're done using your power cord. This is where your poles are for your tanks. That is actually where your power connects when you do your shore power. It does have an upgraded suspension system, the CRE 3000. Okay, it does have 2 different types of slides if you care. That's called a Schwintek slide. And then this one is a rack and pinion slide. All right, let's go up a little bit further. This is where your controls are for the leveling system, right? For leveling the coach. And you can see we're pretty close to the front, so that's not too bad. It's on the outside at least, so you're not sticking, your head in here to do it. It's on the outside, so you can be outside, which is nice. Anyway, this is your wet bay. What I like about this is it's got a water filter already built in, okay? Very neat. Around to the front, it's got a big storage compartment up front. This is where your batteries would go, as well as a generator if you wanted to do a generator in there. This also does have the MORryde pin box. It's upgraded pin box, so it's going to be a much more comfortable drive. So this is a beautiful Solitude. Now, hey everybody, if this is your first time on our channel, thank you so much for stopping and watching our video. We really do appreciate it. While you're here, do us a big favor. Smash that big thumbs up button. The YouTube algorithm loves it when you do that, and it does help us out a lot. If you've already been a subscriber and visited the channel before, thank you so much for coming back. We really do love all you guys, all right? And by the way, don't forget, if you're ever in West Palm Beach or you see an RV that we're reviewing from here, make sure you tell them the tall man sent you. Okay, we left the phone number for you in the description. All right, so enough of me. How about a little of Lisa?
Hi there, welcome to the kitchen.
Right? So yeah, right when you walk in this door, you're walking right into the kitchen. Now this is a little different take. We were in a Solitude that had a front living room. What's that, the 380 FL, I think it is?
I believe so, yes.
This is a different twist, which we'll show you in a minute, but take us through this kitchen.
Well, this has a small island, but I know that you're gonna like that it is offset a little bit, so you have a little bit of counter space here.
Do you know what that is? That's actually a lift.
Is that a lift?
See this? Normally, this would be down, and so it actually gives you some extra counter space. Just like this would normally be down, so when you get to where you're going, you can lift this up and it gives you some more counter space.
Very nice.
Yep.
I like that this is a double sink.
That's neat too.
Yeah, it's not all the way up, but it's enough to give a little separation if you just want to wash a little bit of something and have a little bit of water in there. You don't have to have the whole thing full of water.
Water conservation.
Absolutely. We have our, on this side, we have our microwave. We have an Insignia 4-burner stove with an oven underneath.
Nice residential oven, I love that.
Yes, lots of storage everywhere in here. Big pantry as well, and this has a nice pull-out.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Shelves in the pantry.
Nice drawers.
Yes, absolutely.
All right, hang on, let's give it the knock test. Oh yeah, those are solid. No problem with those. Yeah, you got this other one too. That's kind of a neat little thing here on the side.
And these are adjustable too.
That's awesome. Little one up top too. Excellent.
And then over here we have our Samsung refrigerator. It's a side-by-side with the freezer underneath. That one is locked, so I'm not going to open that.
Right.
Huge storage underneath here as well.
Oh yeah, full storage.
Yeah.
Excellent. Now you also notice there's no carpet, right? This is all linoleum, so we don't have carpet. There is a little bit of carpet just up here in the living room, just right there, but you're not walking on that, so all your walking surfaces don't have carpet. Oh yeah.
I was going to show you a couple more cool little
Yeah, that's kind of hidden underneath there, isn't it?
Yep, I've never seen any underneath your shelf there.
Nice.
Lots of storage here.
Now this is what's different and special about this. They took what they had been doing with their front living room, where the TV and entertainment center was there, and they flipped it. So now it's here. So it's hard to see because it's down, but this is a televator. And so when you want to watch TV, you hit the button, the TV goes all the way up, and now you're sort of, that's what the R is in the description, meaning reverse. They took just their regular plan and kind of just did a flip on it, which is really neat because if you're up here, you now are still attached to the rest of the coach. You're not, you know, because when the theater chairs were there and you're looking at the TV when it was back here, you're kind of separated from everything. Now you're sort of part of everything that's going on, which is really super neat. Anyway, it has a huge fireplace there. It has 3 sofas up here. This one pulls out to be a bed. This one pulls out to be a bed. And the one in the back here, these are theater seats, so they recline, which is nice. And there is some storage around it, which is also cool. And of course, there's power and charging. You know, when you're here watching, of course, you know, you got your phone, so you want to charge it. Now, as we come down here, here is your dinette. Nice light above it. Now, this seats 4. Obviously, you can see the little leaf here that comes up there. So, nice dinette, little separate area there, which is kind of cool.
Nice big windows.
Huge windows.
Yes.
Huge windows. So, when you park this at the lake, you're looking at the lake when you're having breakfast.
Exactly.
All right, let's go back here. Oh, yay! You know what time it is.
It's time for Thomas Toilet Test.
This is a great position for this toilet. Got plenty of leg room forward. You've got plenty of left and right room as well. When the door's shut, I haven't tested, but you might be close to it, but you're inside. And so, yeah, this one's getting a... Now, right across from the toilet is your sink. Now, this master bathroom, I'm going to be honest, it's a little bit small, all right? So, when you're done using the toilet, you can actually just sit here and wash your hands. Solid surface countertop, under counter mount sink, nice faucet. There's some storage underneath here, drawers and such, which is nice, right? And then you do have a medicine chest. What I do not see in here is a place for towels. Towels. All right, so let's get in the shower. Now, this is one of the things that I love about Grand Design. Look at this shower door. I don't even have to get in the shower. All right, I'm 6'4", right? Thus the name Tall Man RV Reviews, okay? The shower head. I don't have to get underneath it. There's plenty of room to the left. There's plenty of room to the right. There's even a bench back here. I just absolutely love Grand Design showers. Now, one thing I did not mention here is there's a second door, right? This can actually lead right into the bedroom. So at night, you don't want to go out into the hallway. You can come right for the bedroom into the restroom, okay? So you go that way, I'll go this way. All right, so when you come in here, this is a king size bed. And again, I'm just making, I don't have my tape measure with me, but I'm assuming this is just a sorry, not a residential king, but an RV king. So you'll have to do some different things with your sheets to get them to fit. I do not see power at the bed, but there is power right next to it. There's power there as well as USB there. Same thing on the other side. Okay, so you do have access to power because there's these two little shelves right there in the back. So if you're charging your stuff at night, you can put your phone right there at night while you're asleep. Now, right across from the bed is your TV. And there's a little 3-drawer with a little additional storage here. What is that? Maybe you put your, I don't know, bathing suits in there. I don't know, something. I don't know what you put in there. All right. One thing I do like about this is where you would put your washer and dryer. So it's actually got a separate area for the washer and dryer. It's not sort of a combination, meaning the closet is all one with the washer and dryer in there. It's a separate door. And if not, you're not putting a washer and dryer, you do have an additional storage closet. All right. So back here is your main closet. Got a nice rail all the way back and 6 drawers down here. So nice storage. And then there is mirrors, all right? Hi, Mom. So I'm tall, just like the shower. They put the mirrors so I can get dressed and see my whole self too. Okay, which I like that. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. All right, so what did you think of this Solitude, right? A little twist on that front living room by flipping it backwards, right? Just taking a normal design and flipping it. Let us know what you think about that, right? Leave a comment down there. All right, everybody, we appreciate you watching the video. So until the next time.